Hello everyone, and welcome to the third annual Christmas Holiday Mix. I am Bree, and welcome to the channel. I have a very exciting series for you this Christmas holidays. We have 4 weeks of exciting holiday decor ideas and inspiration for your enjoyment. My hosts are Kimberly from A Blessed Home from Kimberly Davis, Juani from Juani's House, and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Today is video 1, where I will show you the tour of my foyer. So stay tuned, and again, welcome. The Christmas theme this year, silver snowflakes, and lots of them. What I wanted for this year's Christmas Holiday Mix Room Tour is to give you ideas and inspiration for areas of the home other than the family room, kitchen, dining, and started off as a room tour for the first video. My room tour's choice is the foyer. Starting right at the entry, the table is the basis of all the home decor you will see for the Christmas tour. We use trumpet vases, velvet cloth, silver, black, and white ornaments. You will see these decorations throughout every room. And of course, the snowflakes. What kicked this theme into play, you may ask? It all began right here at the wall art. This nostalgic winter trees really speaks Christmas to me. The snow-covered pine trees and all of that beautiful white snow. To pick up on those trees, I have them displayed around the room in the foyer. Here on the side table and here on the pedestal. I really love how I decorated the end table this year. This floor arrangement is gorgeous with winter florals and pine picks. And if you look closely, snowflakes branches in the arrangement. Talk about simple decorating, ornaments, and silver branches laid on this velvet cloth. Isn't this fun? And look here, a snowflake adornment on the gorgeous velvet material. wanted the second shelf to be just as beautiful but simple. See that touch of gold in the vignette? There are touches of gold only in the foyer because why not? Next to the entry table is the side table with a simple but beautiful vignette of trees, deers, and greenery. The greenery brings life to this side of the room. The chair is placed on a slight diagonal with two gorgeous pillows that are used throughout the Christmas decor. On the floor, luxurious fur rug and an abstract rug in silver, gray, and black. Moving to the opposite side of the foyer is a pedestal with another pine tree that matches the artwork. And here comes the grand finale, the grand star of this foyer. Look at this tree. I wanted simplicity on a grand scale. I'll call it grand simplicity. What makes this simple tree fantastic is the velvet material I use as garland, with lots of snowflake ornaments in a variety of sizes. There are also silver ball ornaments in black, white, and silver, and peeking through all that gorgeousness is gold stars placed here and there in the tree. I used 2 colors of rich velvet in black and gray wrapped around the tree with large snowflakes tied at different areas and gathered on the side in a beautiful waterfall of luxuriousness. The tree skirt is a black fur mink blanket to add to the luxe look. On the far side of the tree, on the floor are 2 glittered silver cone trees. These cone trees I had over 20 years and they still look beautiful. The co-star of this beautiful foyer is the stair and banisters. So I started with this gorgeous garland from front gate. Then I added the silver branches and huge snowflake to enclose or cap off the garland look. And look here, that beautiful cloth garland draped in and out of the banisters. Perfect. Snowflakes placed in the garland and a waterfall of fabric to finish it off in the front. Silver lanterns and luxurious pillows on the floor going up the stairs. I just love this look. As you can see, the basic decor used at the entry is used on the staircase. The black, silver, and gold ornaments and this beautiful pillow. it so stunning is the small touches. The silver candles wrapped in gold and black ribbon, silver candles in the wall sconces that is adorned with these DIY swags. And look here, snowflakes and gold and black ribbon. The gold and black ribbon is also used on the entry table, on the trumpet vase, with a large snowflake as a beautiful vase choker. This foyer for 2021 is stunning. I am in love with the look, and everything came out perfectly. I am so happy with the outcome. I hope you guys got some ideas and inspiration how you can decorate your foyer for this Christmas season. Can you guess the theme of my foyer? Put it in the comments below. It will be revealed soon. And that's it for me, guys. Don't forget to check the playlist below to see the rest of the team and their ideas. I'm quite sure you will see some beautiful, beautiful ideas and get some great inspiration for years to come. Until then, be blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Happy holidays. Smooches!